Hello everyone and welcome to another Google Ads tutorial. Today we're going to learn how to exclude below the fold ads from our Google Ads campaigns. It's going to be very simple. We're going to go straight to the point. Before we do that, make sure you like the video, subscribe to the channel. It helps tremendously to create new content, so thank you very much in advance. And let's get started. So step number one, we'll log into our Google Ads. We are going to navigate to tools from the left-hand side, and we are going to choose content suitability. Once we choose content suitability, we are going to scroll down. We are going to open the drop-down menu under excluded types and labels, and simply we have to check below the fold display and save. That's it. That's how simple it is to exclude below the fold placements in Google Ads from all your campaigns at the account level. That's it for this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. If you want to work with me, you can find links in the video descriptions. Thank you very much for watching and have a great day in any time zone. Bye everyone.